Now, Indian aviation officials have moved quickly after an urgent alert came from DGCA and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency. This follows Airbus announcing one of its biggest safety actions ever as it ordered an immediate software rollback on nearly 6,000 A320 family aircraft. This is more than half of its A320s flying worldwide. So in the latest updates that we're getting, Indigo Airlines has now shared a completion update on the mandatory Airbus system announcement. All 200 aircraft, we are given to understand, have been fully updated and compliant as required. Meanwhile, global airlines have been scrambling to fix a major software glitch on Airbus A320 jets, a problem that has forced a partial recall and halted hundreds of flights across Asia as well as Europe. Now, this issue has raised concerns about US travel as well during one of its busiest weekends of the year. Airlines, in fact, worked through the night after regulators ordered an immediate software rollback. So by Saturday, several major carriers, including American, United Delta, Air India, Wizz Air, they said they had completed or nearly completed the fix with little to no impact on the operations. In fact, the overnight push helped avoid the worst delays we could have witnessed because of this recall. Aviation experts say that the situation created short-term headaches but did avoid the larger chaos. In fact, Airbus CEO also apologized to airlines and passengers after the surprise recall of more than 6,000 jets worldwide, which is over half of its global fleet. Now remember, this alert followed up an October JetBlue flight incident. This is where a sudden altitude drop was witnessed and it injured about 10 passengers. Many airlines were in fact helped by the timing. The recall hit late in the evening for Europe and Asia, which is when A320s are mostly on the ground. In the US, however, it landed right in the middle of a heavy holiday travel season. Now, repairs here involve either reverting to a previous software version that controls the aircraft's nose angle, with some older planes also needing hardware changes. So each fix here takes about 2 to 3 hours, and despite the scale, most airports worldwide reported only moderate delays, and Airbus now says that fewer aircraft than first feared will need hardware replacements. Basically, hardware replacement is something that's going to take weeks or even months. Still, aviation leaders call the recall a rare, costly disruption at a time when global maintenance systems are already stretched thin.